Yeah, it's gonna be ready in 10 minutes.
Oh, that's a burger. Jalapenos, bacon, peppers,
Let me give you your
Swiss cheese, onions, and fries.
I'm gonna start my diet tomorrow.
Okay, I said I was tired. I said I'm going home early. But I have a weakness for the solar Tiki boat rides tonight. Where we going tonight? Solar Tiki
Wherever we
boat
want.
ride. Wherever we want. For
Wherever
free
we want.
on the sun. The sun does the work. We don't. It says the bug report. No bugs out there? She says no bugs. Oh, that's good. A engine problem, but that's all right. We don't have the maker.
That's normal.
The engineer's not here. Dale's got it though, and there's a gorgeous sunset. So who cares? We're heading our way to Crown Bay Marina.
This is a 3-hour tour, right?
3-hour tour. Good thing we left early. We can see our destination, so I'm thinking we have a chance. Because we are moving forward, though. That's the important thing. Solar is the future, just so you know. Back to Honeymoon Beach. We didn't make it to Crown Bay, but we're not afraid. The engine's running really slow, so loose connection. That's what we heard from the captain.